trademark may appear a prosy thing, but such is not this one of which I sing. For if your cup in beauty be unique, 'twill bear the well-known stamp of famed Belleek, the bright conception of a gifted mind, a symbol by artistic taste designed, with emblems dear to the Irish patriot's heart, and meet to signalize our Celtic art. The round tower sea, whose memory sublime bear us in thought far down the vale of time, to those dim, distant days of mystic fame, when rose these towers which shall for aye proclaim the prowess of the men from whom we sprung, ere history was, while yet the world was young. The wolf dog too, a souvenir of the past, is here, and calls to mind the clarion blast, by which the chieftains summon to the chase the brave in battle and the fleet in race, and oft the hunter by excitement borne, beyond the point at which he should return, has stood at bay, attacked both front and rear by the fierce denizens of the forest lair. His faithful dog ends the unequal strife, yielding his own to save his master's life. The harp and shamrock fittingly combine to make complete this beautiful design, and yet more thrilling, lofty and refined, the recollections brought by them to mind. The harp to us evokes the bardic days, when e'en the statute laws in sweetest lays were sung in short. It vividly recalls the fadeless glory of old Tara's halls. The shamrock tells a tale more hallowed still, of how Saint Patrick on that royal hill preached to the Ardere and his counsel wide, the living faith that leads to paradise. Then pluck the trefoil from the emerald sod, as emblematic of the tribune god. This simile, one druid and chief, and made this plant our chosen leaf. Fair famed Belleek, long may their products be unrivaled here and far beyond the sea. For to the world they silently convey what Celtic brain and hand can do today.